Let's go thrifting at the Goodwill Bins, and be sure to stay till the end of this video because I'm going to show y'all what I did with some of the items that I found today. Alright, let's go check the wall. This is not a good sign. There's nothing up top here. It's all empty. Oh my gosh, look. I told y'all it was not a good sign. All of these bins are empty. I really hope they refill this while I'm here, y'all. I don't think I've ever seen it this empty. All right, we're gonna keep looking. We have this whole building. We gotta make a lap and check it out. They have some old windows in the artwork section. Oh wow, $11. I know that's not like an awful price, but I don't know, it seems like a lot for the Goodwill Bins. And I don't need any old windows, so as much as I want to pick these up and rescue them, I'm gonna leave them here. Here's a pretty glass and brass lamp right here, a blender. You know, there's always dolls over here. That's literally the only thing on top right here. It's still pretty much empty. All right, let's go check the other side. I hope this whole video isn't y'all looking at empty bins, but I decided when I walked in, I'm like, I'm gonna film and show them what's at the bins today, even if it is not great. Hopefully the music is not too loud. Oh wait, this is cute. We could paint this. Yes, okay. Maybe this will bring us some good luck. First thing in the cart. Let's check out the furniture selection today. Some chairs. $5 for this cute little one. All right, this bin is full. Maybe we can find something in here. Frames. Toys. Oh, a cute little wooden book. Oh, here's another one. Okay, get those. Right, this one's lots of different stuff in this bin. Just a big art print. I do like this frame right here. Oh, what is this? This is a top book. I wonder if I could get that stuff off and paint that book stack. Alright, I'm gonna have to turn the camera off because the music is loud and I might get a copyright strike, but I don't think I'm gonna find anything else in this bin. The clothing is piled high today. Little mug. Oh, it's a nice size cutting board. This would be fun to paint something on. I think I'm gonna get this. Here's a bin of books. Maybe they have some vintage books in here. Binders. Ooh, look at this oval embroidery hoop. The color is perfect on this. All right. Add that to the cart. Oh, here's something else that's wood. Oh, look at this cute little bowl. See, there's a sticker on the bottom, made in Alaska, handmade. All right, we need that. Okay, finding a few things today. Looks like a bunch of school stuff right here. And then of course, clothing. All right, let's see what's in this bin over here. Backgammon. I was hoping it had a cool case because I just bought a small one and I want a bigger one, but I find them pretty often at the bins and kind of stack them up like a book stack. That's my plan. All right, this is all stuffed animals, electronics. There's something gold over here. That's a light fixture. I just spotted these watercolor pencils in this bin of school supplies, so I'm gonna get this for my son. Looks like these bins are lots of new books. We got some little shark crocs right here. Some DVDs. I think that's all books in here. Yeah. Here's Eeyore. Anybody need an Eeyore? So far, they have not even brought out a new bin since I've been here. So I hope they start bringing some new stuff out because we're almost done digging. I think I've done a lap around the whole place. I just got this bin here and the one behind me. Is this Spode? No, it says Canisters, I don't know, made in England. Doesn't this look like Spode though? Now it does have some pretty crazing on the back, but the front has some chips on it, so I think I'm gonna leave these here. Yeah, no matching teacups or anything. All right, let's check this bin. This is our last hope until they bring out new stuff. Oh my gosh, the music is so loud, so I'm just gonna keep talking and hopefully that drowns it out. Gold book, apples of gold. Looks like maybe palms. Oh, this is a nice planter, but I have so many this size. I do not need another, so leave that here. There's some Afghans. Oh good, they're about to take these bins. I'm gonna bring out some new ones. All right, I was wrong. We have one more set of bins to dig through. This looks like lots of DVDs and CDs, but I spotted these. I have like this handmade look. Some mud pie. Oh, it says 3. I wonder why it says 3. Maybe there's 3 of them. Let's see what this one says. Probably 2. So we're missing the 1. And here's a little picture right here. But I wonder, I think this would be really cute with a Christmas tree in it. You could just, you know, turn that to the back. What y'all think? Should I get these? They're probably canisters, so I think they're missing the lids. But like I said, we could put a Christmas tree in here, so missing the lid is not a big deal. All right, I think we're gonna get them. They brought out a new bin and I found a few things. I got this stoneware made in Japan piece. This would be cute to put in a little fall vignette. And I got these nice Pyrex, no, this is Anchor Hawking's measuring cups. This is for myself, for my house. All right, let's dig through this bin. I think I looked through it quickly, but they had a few people digging, so I moved elsewhere. This looks like that other bin that's just full of random stuff. But what is this? I see something oval and gold. Oh my gosh, look at her. I can't tell if it's a print or a drawing. I think it might actually be a drawing. Oh, this is sweet, and I love the oval frame. Okay, add that to the cart. We have to rescue this, right? Oh no, look at that water damage. I don't know if this could be saved. I'm putting in a cart and think about it. Y'all let me know. Should I save this, or is it unrescuable? Is that a word? Leave or rescue. That's easier. Leave or rescue. What is this? Glaze. Oh, it's makeup samples. You don't want that little pumpkin down there. I need some big pumpkins. I have so many pumpkin ideas. I need to find some big pumpkins here. There's an oval basket made in the People's Republic of China. I don't think I need that. I got enough baskets. All right, I'm gonna keep digging. I'll let y'all know if I find anything that looks like Lily Pulitzer. I spotted something interesting in this cabinet. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. I thought it was paper mache. It's just a little resin Easter decor. I'm not sure if something went right here. They got these 2 pieces. I'm gonna put it up here. Somebody else I'm sure will grab it. Unfortunately, I do not think the walls are gonna be changed out while I'm here. I'm gonna wait for one more bin change, then I'm gonna head out. So they brought out a new bin. Look at these 2 vintage purses. I feel like they look so good together, so I might sell them as a set on the vintage drop, but they're definitely vintage. This one's Wahlberg original, and I think this one was made like Republic of China. So these will be available on my website at juliesdesignsandsigns.com. Check out these beaded sweaters I just found. I'm thinking this one would be cute for an LSU game. You could take out the shoulder pads, put some black leggings on, and that would be adorable. Ooh, with some white boots. That would be cute. Or yellow or gold. And then this one is giving me like Mardi Gras vibes right here. Or maybe Saints with the black and gold. black tights, gold boots. That would be cute. I found one thing in the new bin they brought out. Look at this. Is this a vintage crock? I don't know. There's no markings on it. It does look older. Oh wait, this isn't my basket. I was walking into that basket. That's not even my basket. Here it is over here. Y'all, I'm always losing my basket. I think I learned my lessons after I got stuff stolen out of it, but I still leave it everywhere. So anyway, I don't know. I'm getting this. New or old, it's super, super cute. I don't know if it originally had a lid or not. If you know anything about this, let me know. All right, y'all, I was worried when we came in here, and I'm still very disappointed that they have not changed out the wall, but I did end up with some really good stuff. So let me know what is your favorite item that I purchased today. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent for this cart of goodies. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in the next one. I grabbed the cutting board and the canisters and the IOD Winter Botanist Transfer. I love this one, y'all. Think woodsy, outdoor, birds and butterflies, and then Christmas on top of that. It is so beautiful. So I added the transfer to the canisters that I found, and I added in this white cup because, you know, I like collections of 3. I took Dixie Belle chalk paint in the color Fluff, and I added that to the sides of the cutting board, and I think it looks beautiful. Y'all let me know what y'all think.